If you encounter billing errors on Tugboat Logic, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you identify and correct any discrepancies in your billing. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Check your latest billing statement for any charges that seem incorrect. Make a note of the specific items or amounts that you believe are erroneous. Step 2. Gather supporting documents. Collect any relevant documents that support your claim, such as previous invoices, payment confirmations, or correspondence related to your billing. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Tugboat Logic's customer support team. Use the contact information provided on their website and be prepared to provide details about your billing issue and any supporting documents. Step 4. Follow up. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once your issue has been addressed, review your next billing statement to ensure that the error has been corrected. If the problem persists, repeat the previous steps as necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on Tugboat Logic. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.